Hi, this video is about the setup of a micro SD card for use in the Vivitar DRC-188 drone. Some drones use phone apps for the video interface, but this video is specifically for the setup of a micro SD card. I wouldn't recommend this particular drone because it's kind of a cheap toy in that it's very light and hard to control and get to hover, and even too susceptible to light winds that come along. But I thought this video might be helpful for others who use other types of drones that use micro SD cards and had difficulty getting them to work. I was successful in getting a 1 GB class 4 micro SD card to work and take videos, and so this may be applicable to other drones that use cards like this. Originally I tried to use a card that had more memory, like 512 gig, but that never worked, but the 1 GB is okay. This is what the drone looks like with the camera underneath. If you intend to use a device that uses an SD slot like a laptop, you're going to need an SD adapter that allows you to insert the micro SD card into the adapter and then place the adapter into a laptop or some other device. The adapter has a right lock switch as shown at the top of the picture. Make sure the switch is set so that the card is writable if you intend to write something on the micro SD card from your device. The setting of the switch isn't applicable to allow the drone to use the card for video. Okay, now you're going to need to format the micro SD card. When you put the micro SD card into the SD adapter and put it into a Windows device, you should see something like this. Do a right click on the SD card entry and you'll have format as an option, so go ahead and select that. Okay, I chose the default format option that appeared for the micro SD card and gave it the volume name drone and kept the quick format option. When you're done, click Start at the bottom and the warning appears that states all data will be removed. So click OK to start the formatting. The formatting starts and it takes a little while, maybe 5 minutes or so. I didn't get a pop-up that states that it's done, but the close button on the formatting pop-up is selectable when it's done, so you can click on that and you're good to go. When you put the micro SD card back in the drone and power it up and hit the video button once to start video and once to stop video, and you can see the result on the micro SD card. It generates a video and photo folder that the videos and photos are placed into. Now the videos and photos folder will look like this. Then after you put the card back into the drone, start flying and then hit the video button once to start and once to stop, you'll create a video file on the card itself that looks like this when you put it back on the laptop. There are 3 separate videos recorded here. When you click the Photos button, photos will appear in the Photos folder as well. Here's a video example of the drone flight. It's not a very good one, unfortunately, because the drone is hard to control, but at least it shows the card does work. Here's another example. Here's a photo example as well. It's a pretty good picture, really, for the drone. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this micro SD card setup helps with different kinds of drones that use these cards instead of a phone app for videos. Take care now.